So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fox Sports app not working on Samsung TV. Cache, reinstall and sign in fix. Fix 1 is download the Fox One app. Press the home button on your Samsung remote, then navigate to and select app. Select the search icon in the upper right corner, then type Fox One. Select it from the suggestions and click install. Log in with your TV provider or Fox credentials. Second fix is perform a hard power reset. Unplug the Samsung TV from the power outlet, then wait for a full 60 seconds. Plug the TV back into the power outlet, then turn the TV on. Third fix is check your internet connection. Press setting on your remote, then navigate to journal, then network status to check if your TV is online. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 60 seconds to resolve unstable network speed. Plug the router back in after the 60 seconds. Fourth fix is update the TV firmware. Navigate to setting, then click on support. Select software update. Choose update now. Fifth fix is clear app cache and data. Navigate to setting, then go to support. Select device care. Choose manage storage. Select the Fox One app, then click on clear cache. Thanks for watching.